Burglar guards like these can start looking terrible after a few years. They're subjected to the elements which causes them to rust and the paint to peel. We often ignore them because we think it's going to be such a big job to sort them out. But let me show you how easy it can actually be to get them looking great again. What you will need: a screwdriver or socket to remove the burglar bars, fine sandpaper, a wire brush or a brush cup and angle grinder, some thinners and a rag, a drop sheet, and some Rust-Oleum gloss protective enamel. Now this stuff is easy to apply, provides a durable enamel layer, and best of all, stops rust, so perfect for this application. So first we need to remove the burglar bars from the window. Okay, so I can take that outside, start cleaning it up. I'm using a wire cup and an angle grinder, which makes the preparation so much easier, but you can use a wire brush and some sandpaper. Once it's stripped and smooth, we can give it a wipe down with some thinners and make sure there's no dust, and then let it dry. Now for the fun part of spraying. I'm using this trigger handle that just makes it so much easier to spray. Even coats, starting off one side and ending off the other. I'll give it 45 minutes and apply a second coat. Okay, now we finished spraying, that just needs to dry. About 5 hours before we can handle it, just be very careful because it'll only be fully cured in about 24 hours. So there we go, a good clean and a coat of paint, and it's looking brand new. Now remember, everything I used is available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. For more how-tos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.